It seems sense that you would find it difficult to balance performing your best work and being the greatest partner given your busy schedule and long to-do list. It could even seem impossible on days when you're under a lot of pressure. Advice for juggling work and relationships. You could try the following to help you discover greater stability. 1. Check in with your emotions. When work is busy, time passes more swiftly. Take a step back and check in with your partner emotionally. What mood are they in? Do they feel supported by you or seen by you? Talk about how you two can feel more connected. 2. Enter their DMs. Sometimes it's comforting to know that your partner is considering you. If you have a spare moment at work, consider texting your partner a joke or an article that made you think of them. Have a jam-packed day? Inform them that you won't be using your phone. 3. Plan a romantic evening. You can better coordinate your other requirements on the other days of the week by designating one night each week, or month, that both you and your spouse know is your date night. Additionally, it offers you two something to anticipate no matter how busy your schedule becomes. 4. Use active listening techniques. Making the most of your time with your partner is crucial if you have a limited amount of it. Active listening is the most effective strategy for achieving that. 5. Establish sound boundaries. It takes good limits to strike a balance between work and love. 6. Share a dream. Andrei Scheinebarger and Jeff Scheinebarger, the authors of Love or Work? Is it possible to change the world, stay in love, and raise a healthy family? Suggest creating a bucket list with your partner. 7. Request aid. If you feel overextended, consider whether your partner can assist with anything. Perhaps there are groceries or washing. If you're concerned that you'll be a burden, remember that your spouse would probably prefer to be asked for assistance than to witness your helplessness in times of stress. 8. Love. Above all, remember to work on loving your mate. A sincere comment or a day off to reconnect might both be considered acts of affection. You can express your love to them. You might try creating an atmosphere conducive to intimacy and working to make them feel seen. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.